Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're on part 2, World of Jumanji. So as you can see, the main ride was unfortunately not open for 1 hour, so we had to wait. But then it started going so hot that unfortunately we could not go into the World of Jumanji. Let's show you some rides, and after that we'll go eat. Wow, that's massive and so cool. Fish and chips are the best. Is my mum's homemade food. Oh, look, a seagull came to eat, so I gave him a portion of fish from my plate. Hello, seagull. Bye-bye. This is the Gruffalo part. Let's go in. Good, it doesn't have a long queue. Is that what I see behind me? Wow. So relaxing and calming. Wait till you see.
A mouse took a stroll through the deep, dark wood. A fox saw the mouse, and the mouse looked good. "Where are you going to, little brown mouse? Come and have lunch in my underground house." "It's terribly kind of you, fox, but no. I'm going to have lunch with a Gruffalo." "A Gruffalo? What's a Gruffalo?" "Where are you going to, little brown mouse? Come for a feast in my log pile house." "It's wonderfully good of you, snake, but no, I'm having a feast with a Gruffalo." "A Gruffalo? Well, what's a Gruffalo?" "Just walk behind me, and soon you'll see everyone is afraid of me."
Wow, water above our heads. So pretty. And so relaxing. Bye, Gruffalo. And the little cute mouse. Wow, a seal! The best part of Chessington World of Adventures is that you can have fun while seeing live animals. I wanted to see if I was as tall as a gorilla. Let's come and see. That is big. Woo! The gorillas are very big. That's a real gorilla there. Can you see? Hello! Hello, friends.
Let's have a whale of a time together. Maybe you can twirl them, or roll them to each other, or catch them and throw them. The world is let us know, and we hope you have a wonderful, happy birthday! How old are you today? 5, wow! We hope you have the best crew in Mardi Gras. We have Stompede, High Flyers, Blossom, Elmers, and of course, your friendly fishy friends, Scales and Tails. Absolutely exquisite hula hoop.
The witch had a cat and a very tall hat, and long ginger hair which she wore in a plait. How the cat purred, and how the witch grinned, as they sat on their broomstick and flew through the wind. But how the witch wailed, and how the cat spat, when the wind blew so wildly, it blew off the hat. Down cried the witch, and they flew to the ground. They searched for the hat, but no hat could be found. Then out of the bushes, on thundering paws, there bounded a dog with the hat in his jaws. Over the moors and the mountains they flew. The frog jumped for joy, but the broom snapped in two. Down fell the cat